Here we see where the quantities been entered in from the PlanSwift spreadsheet, and it's given us the kilograms, this total job broken down into the material types, and it's worked on standard pricing with a percentage for waste. Now that needs to be broken up and worked out for the lengths to buy for each type of material. And we need to go to another worksheet to do this. Each worksheet is color coded. Yellow, orange and green cells are the only cells where you can enter data and information. I'll go back to the main menu. Every worksheet on the top right hand side has a return to the main menu. Click on that and you go back to the main menu. The sheet we need to use is this quantity takeoff and labour. That's quite a busy worksheet, but the way it works, as I said before, yellow, orange and green cells you can access to put in data. These beams are marked with the item numbers and have that area marked through there where my mouse is moving to enter all the information relative to those items. Anything up here is information that stays on the screen at all times. But once again, if we look over here, you can see the steel tons of this job, and it's shown as the value. That's displayed at all times. Down here it's telling us that the item B1 is the Universal Beam 250 UB31, and it's come from the PlanSwift quantity, 27.25 metres. And we need to work out what lengths we need to buy. Down here it will tell us what lengths are available. And in the green cells is where we enter the lengths that we need to buy. If we now refer back to the PlanSwift estimating report, the B1 is showing here we have 3 beams. We would need to purchase 2 at 10.5 and 1 at 9. The value of these beams and the tonnage is shown here at all times. We need to enter this information to create our list. As we enter the information, it comes up on the screen here in red, telling you what to do next. We need to record that information we've just created in that cell. This is a list. We now need to create it as a value. The easiest way to copy the quantity using that arrow, and as it says up here, have the equal sign to create a value. We'll do the same for the next item, B2. B2, 8 at 10.4 metres. Easy, we use 8 at 10.5. A quick way, we don't have to use the copy quantity. It recalculates that material without the waste. Now on the summary, where these items were previously over here in the stock value, have now moved over into the lengths.